Let's take you through how our premium feed is produced. Raw materials are lifted by the scraper conveyor into the double-layer cleaning sieve. After cleaning, they pass through the distributor and enter the crushing bin, waiting for further processing. The feeder is activated, and the raw materials enter the crushing chamber. Our ultrafine crusher uses hammer blades to strike at high speed, achieving a particle size between 0.6 and 1 mm, greatly enhancing digestibility and absorption for animals. After crushing, the materials are transported via scraper conveyor, elevator, and distributor into the batching bins, waiting for formulation. According to preset formulas, materials are automatically weighed and then fed into the pre-mixing bin, and finally into the mixer. We use an advanced dual-shaft paddle mixer, with one clockwise and one counterclockwise shaft, ensuring high mixing efficiency. The coefficient of variation, CV, is less than or equal to 3%, significantly better than the national standard of less than or equal to 7%. The mixed semi-finished products are transported via scraper conveyor, elevator, and distributor into the pelleting bin. Materials are fed through the screw feeder into the dual-stage conditioner. In this automated system, temperature, pressure, and steam volume are finely adjustable. After conditioning, the materials enter the pellet chamber, where they are compressed through the ring die by high-speed rollers, and cut into uniform pellet sizes according to process specifications. The dual-stage automatic conditioning system greatly improves feed gelatinization, enhances palatability, increases feed intake, and effectively kills various bacteria, reducing piglet diarrhea. The freshly formed pellets are directly transferred into the cooler, where the feed temperature is automatically controlled to ensure complete cooling. After cooling, the products pass through the scraper conveyor, elevator, and into the grading sieve. Oversized clumps and fine powder are screened out, and only the middle layer is selected as qualified finished products. Qualified products can either be transported directly to the bulk warehouse for loading, or go to the finished goods warehouse for weighing, packaging, and stacking, before being delivered to our customers.